Hello everyone and welcome to So Many Games to No Time. My name is Joachim and today we will be unboxing Maki Master, also known as Wasabi before they had to change the name. It's by Josh Capel and Adam Bertsbean with art by Claire Lynn. It's by Kids Table BG, so board game I guess. And you might also know them from Power Plants and other games. I own Power Plants, I don't have the other ones, but Maple Valley and so on, or some other titles. Anyway, this just fulfilled, so let's take a look at it. Obviously, it's all about sushi. 1 to 4 players, 8 plus age, and 30 minutes. So my daughter is 6, my oldest one, so she might be able to try this. It's the back of the box. Okay, so let's see what's inside. No art on the inside. Oh, and this already fell out. It's just a cutting board. Then we have some punch boards. It's the first one. Second one. Well, not the first. It's not the second one. This is the other side. This is the second one. There we go. Third one. Sort of different yummy sushi. There we go. Next one. There we go. Then we have the appetizers mini expansion, the rules for it anyway. There we go. And then the Maki Master, I guess I don't know. It talks about you're the owner of the Kickstarter edition. So there's some upgraded stuff like the pantry, the enhanced bits, storage, action display, folded game board and rulebooks go on top of everything. Wasabi. So basically how you do the reboxing. And here are some of the other games. Yeah. So I always like the production a lot. Like I said, I only have Power Plants, but I'm actually curious on trying the other ones as well if I have the chance. Okay, so here is, let's do the rulebook first before we look at the story mode. So story, components, setup and gameplay and what happens on your turn, server prep, action cards, end game, and then scoring. And then we have the solo mode. There we go. And there's some of the boards. There we go. It's one-sided. Then of course you got some cool pieces like the wasabi trays for the soy sauce. You can hear, yeah, very nice quality. Nice. And here, this bag, we have, imagine this is the first player marker. I don't know for sure. Let me just check the rule book. So this is the soy sauce bottle, okay? And here we have the 4 teacups. I'm showing you 2. Oh, nice. Well, this one's a bit black in the middle, but I don't actually mind, you know. It doesn't bother me much. And here we have the other, I think these are just green cubes actually. Yeah, they're just green cubes. As you can see, so green cubes. And we also have some of these. There we go. And that was what? We know. Ginger, I guess. I guess that was ginger. Then we have wasabi. There we go. Wasabi pieces. Yeah, it is ginger. You can see on the card here, or it was ginger. And the next piece, brown pieces. So I guess our appetizer tiles, maybe? Or soy sauce servings. I don't know, one of those things. Okay, then we also have one die. Nothing special, of course. This is the tray. Simple. Let's take a look at some of these cards. All right, let's start with soy sauce. Seems to be they're all like kind of like mini expansions. So soy sauce, yeah. So the piece we just saw, soy sauce. Yeah, micro expansion, adding soy sauce to the game. Yeah, so that's one micro expansion. We also have the ginger micro expansion. So here we go. The ginger micro expansion. I think this seems to be player aids. Yeah, these are player aids. 3 of them. There we go. And we also have sashimi, chirashi, bowl, bento box, sunomono salad, seafood omelette, tempura platter. So this is the plate and bowl micro expansion. So it also has stuff on the back. Yeah. Okay. So all these micro expansions. Then we've got chop, switch, stack, spicy snake, slice, torch, brew, and then we have some other cards like novice, simplicity, complexity. They're double-sided. And it seems like the 4th player aid. Yeah, it is. Then we have one more stack of cards. And then it's already the end of the unboxing. Well, it is a half an hour game, so it makes sense. Okay. Avocado nigiri, ebi, hamachi, hotate, inari, kani, maguro, mirugai, sake, tai, tamago, unagi, warship roll, avocado roll, kani maki, kappa maki, oshinko, sake maki, snapper maki, takamaki, fried scallop, maguro inari, power bar, royal prawn, sea snake, BBQ eel, crunchy tuna roll, tuna two ways, hamanegi maki, pickle barrel, sake avo maki, snapper crunch, spider roll, tuna salad roll, waterfall roll, barbecue special, gone fishing, ocean pearl, sushi pizza, that's amore, California roll, coral reef, dynamite roll, fried clam roll, seafood futomaki, green dragon, rainbow roll, red dragon, sunrise roll, volcano roll, across the universe, chowder, let's get crackin', octopus garden, fry basket, all day breakfast, the claw, death by shellfish, squid salad sandwich, the wreck raider, the main course, pearl jammed, row my boats, taco night, and squid fishes. So yeah, these are all pretty cool cards. They're different levels, level 5, 4, 3, all the way down to 1. Oh, all the way down to 2, apparently. There's no 1. Okay. Then that's it already. That is the end of the unboxing. There's nothing else here. So yeah, this is Maki Master, formerly known as Wasabi. I don't know about playthroughs. I think I will, because this is a short game. 30 minutes shouldn't be too difficult to do. Sorry. It looks very promising. And like I said, I have power plants from this. The production was very nice. The game was good, or is good. So I expect the same from this. So we'll see. Anyway, my name is Joachim and always will be. This is Swim Against All Time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.